Okay. Saca del aire. Go inside doing a little bit of cleaning. This is a Boxer 421 or Boxer 421. Well, we're not using any cleaning agent, just plain water and a little bit of the rinse from the chemical injection pump. There's no any pre-sprayer or degreasers on the carpet, just as you can tell, greasy carpets with water and a little bit of fiber rinse. Remember guys, this video is not to show you that we clean carpet, just to present the machine for a possible or a future buyer who wants to see if the unit runs, so they can see it's got vacuum, heat and pressure. Again, there's some people that they don't like our videos, but the purpose of this video is just to show the machine is running and they would test them, and we have previously tested the machine for about 3 hours. It's ready for sale. Boxer 421. Call us 623-414-2745. This is a Prochem Legend coming up. We got a Prochem Legend. It's gonna be for sale in the future. There is more machines in the back one. Yeah, we got right in the back. We had a Prochem 100A, a Prochem Brewing 2, 405, Steam Genie, another 405, another Performer. Give us a call if you're interested in buying one of these or maybe some parts. I guess this is the end. Yeah, too many things to do today. Give us a call, 623-414-2745. 623-414-2745. Remember, this is not a carpet cleaning video, just to show you that the machine that we're selling, it works. And there was no any cleaner and no degreaser, no pre-sprayer or shampoo added to this carpet whatsoever, just plain water. Thank you.